Hello and welcome back to my channel. We're staying at the Chessington Hotel and I'm going to take you on a tour around our king-size Wanyama View room and then around the two hotels, showing you their main facilities and features. We've booked a standard room with Wanyama View in the Safari Hotel, which sleeps up to 5. It's got a huge king-size bed, bunk beds and a pull-out trundle bed. From this side you can see the desk, bag stand, cabinet and TV, and through there is the wardrobe and bathroom. The room is safari inspired and has great animal themed decor. The trundle bed is on wheels and can be fully pulled out if you're using it. The mattresses have protectors on them, which is great if your child has a little accident. It's got a good sized solid desk. All rooms are no smoking or vaping. There are plenty of plug sockets dotted around and some even have USB ports too. There's a telephone with one button dial to all the departments. They provide a hairdryer. We've got a big flat screen TV, and underneath in the cabinet there's a safe and mini fridge. In the wardrobe you'll find an iron and ironing board, good space for hanging clothes, and a few hangers are provided, and plenty of shelves for your bits and bobs. We've got a tea tray with tea and coffee. I love these old style suitcase handles. Not only do they add to the theming, but they're also soft and flexible, so there's no danger of hurting yourself or your little ones if you knock against them. Even the do not disturb signs are safari themed. You have to put your key in the slot to get power in the room. The room has aircon and heating control. The flooring in the room changes from wood panels to carpet. The bathroom feels very modern and swish. We've got a shower over the bath. And they provide towels, shampoo, soap and shower gel. The windows have restricted opening for guest safety. My favourite bit about this room has to be the amazing view over the Wanyama village. The only thing I wish this room had would be a chair so that I could sit and watch the animals with a nice coffee. Both hotels share the same reception entrance and has a dedicated hotel guest car park out the front. As you walk into the hotel, the African safari theming starts and you're surrounded by explorer decor. There's a little TV nook with beanbags and an enclosure with tortoises and butterflies. I'm very excited to say we're coming back at Christmas to stay in a Gruffalo room, and I'll put a link to that tour video in the description box when it's ready. I definitely want to come back and stay in the other themed rooms, like Jess's favourite, Room on the Broom. The hotel is spread across 3 floors and we're staying on floor 3. The lifts here are very unusual. They've got a wooden teepee and telescope looking out over the Wanyama village. My camera is just picking out the giraffes feeding in the distance through the telescope. This is a great place to come and see the animals if your room isn't on this side. They have vending machines selling a variety of snacks. I love the Safari Explorer theming throughout. There is so much detailing here that kids will love. This is the corridor on the second floor linking the two hotels together. The Azteca Hotel is themed to ancient Aztec ruins and jungle animals. This is the back view of the hotels. You can sit outside the safari bar and have a drink and watch the animals. Hotel guests have exclusive access to a viewing area right next to the Wanyama village. Dinner at the Safari Grill is a sit-down service. Here's a quick look around the public toilets. They're spacious and clean. I'll show you what's on offer for breakfast. It's a buffet service in both hotels. There's an ant tunnel running around the restaurant which is fascinating to watch. You need to pre-book your swimming slot. They stock a range of toiletries and essentials. There's even a small gym in case you fancy a workout. This is the games room for the Safari Hotel. And this is the arcade at the Azteca Hotel. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give it a like. If you want to see more from me in the future, then click the subscribe button right here. And if you want to see more from me right now, why not click on one of my other videos? And don't forget, if you carry on watching, I'll carry on travelling. Bye.